Here's a quick tip for all of you outdoor cooks. If you've got some leftover oil from shallow frying or deep frying some donuts or pakoras or something like that, then what you can do is you can take some kitchen roll, stand it up in the oil, and it'll gradually absorb up into the kitchen roll. Once your kitchen roll has soaked up all of the oil, and you can just leave it in the Dutch oven on the way home, you'll want to dry it somewhere. So put it on some newspaper or whatever in a relatively warm room and just leave it for a little bit, for a day or so. And that the oil will dry into the kitchen roll. And now you have a roll of ready-made fire starters. Then to use it, we're just going to take the roll out, tear off a couple of sheets depending on how big it is and how big a flame you want, and we can just stuff it into the center of our fire lay, into our wood stove. So I always keep a roll of this in my kit for my wood stove, for my hot tent. And then if you grab a lighter, you can just come in aside there and light it. Now you'll want to have decently small stuff ready to go to catch, but as you can see, way better than cotton wool. It will burn decently long, and as it works its way in, we will get fire. And for the price of a roll of kitchen roll and the ability to clean up and use up the oil that you create when you're cooking, it's just a really handy little tip to get your fires going.